Hello everyone, this is Tasneem. Welcome to my channel The Basic Point. So today I'm going to talk about Google Sheet. So Google Sheet is basically similar to Microsoft Excel. Google Sheet allows user to edit, organize and analyze different types of information, and it allows collaboration, and multiple users can edit and format files in real time, and any changes made to the spreadsheet can tracked by a revision history. Okay, so Google Sheet has provided us some more benefit. We can use Google Sheet online, and we can add multiple user, and both user can edit and view all the real-time changes. Okay, so now I'm going to first open my Google Sheets. So I'm going to click here. And here you can find Google Sheet. I'm going to open it. You can find some template from template gallery for your personal use, monthly budget, for making any kind of schedule, for travel planner. You can find many template from here, or you can use blank sheet. Okay, so this is a blank sheet, and these are different cells. This one is this portion will show you, this portion is called the name box, and this portion will show you the name of each cell. So I'm going to select this one. So this is A1. So whenever I select this one, the name has been changed because this one is cell B1, like this one is B6, this one is D8. So this portion is for name box, and there are two options, undo and redo. If you want to undo anything, so you have to press here, and if you want to redo the thing again, you have to press here. And there are some options. So this is the zoom option. You can zoom in or zoom out your Google Sheet. You can zoom in or zoom out. Month, this. Okay, so this option is for font size. You can increase your font size. Look, the font size has been increased. Or you can decrease your font size. The font size has been decreased now. Okay, so here is the font style. You can change your font style also. See, the font style has been changed. Sorry, Arial. So using shift option, you can select both, and you can select font size for both. There's a more option, like you can make your text bold. You can make your text italic. You can cut the text like this, text cut option, or you can change the color. So here are color for each box. Okay, you can change the color of the cell also. So now I'm going to put some data first, like this one is for month. Select all the data, you have to click here and press shift, and until the data you want to select, press here, and all the data will be selected. You can add currency like dollar. If you click here, the number will be converted to dollar, so this will calculated as considered as dollar cent. Or you can format as percentage, so this will show in format of percentage. You can add decimal point, increase decimal point, decrease decimal point, or you can increase decimal point. Okay, like this, you can increase decimal point or you can decrease decimal point. Okay, I'm not going to format. Here are some more options like number. You can represent this as a number, or you can represent this as percentage. You can represent it as scientific. You can represent it as accounting, currency, date, time, duration, anything. I'm going to So now I'm going to show you how can you do calculation using this spreadsheet. So like if you want to do the summation for all of these bills, so and show the result in this cell. So you have to select the cell where you want to show the result. So place here, and this is the formula box. You have to write formula like equal sign, then sum, and I want to calculate from B2 to B13. So I have to write B2, B2, sorry, B2, comma, B3, comma, B4. Now press enter. Okay, this calculation is done only for B2, B3 and B4. So in case of multiple column, if you want to do calculation from this column to this column, then you have to write B2, B3, B4, B5 till B13. So this is time consuming, right? So what you can do, B2 colon B13. So this means the calculation will be done from B2 to B13. So from B2 to B13 summation calculation will be done. So now press enter, and this column will show the result for summation from B2 to B13. Okay, this is how you can do summation, or you can also use function like I'm going to clear this. Okay, so you can also use function like I'm going to select this one to this one, and I want to show the result to this cell. So I'm going to select this cell. Then here is option for function summation, then press enter. The summation has been shown here. Then I'm going to select all those, average, press enter. This is the average value of all of this data. Then you can also count like how many data are there. Then count, I'm going to press enter, and it shows there are 12 data. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there are 12 data. Okay, then I'm going to select this to this, and the result will be shown here, and select max. This will show the maximum of all those value. It will find the max value. Okay, so max was this one. I'm going to clear this. Now from this to this, minimum. So this will show the minimum value. So minimum was 2000. Okay, so this is how you can use function. You can also write function here, or you can choose function from here. There are more options you can use. Okay, now if you want to sort any column or any row, what you have to do, you have to select all the data and click here, and there are some options: sort sheet by column B, A to Z. So this will sort your data by A to Z, and sort sheet by column B, Z to A. This will sort your column in descending order, and there are some more sorting options. So I'm going to sort column from A to Z. See, Z to A. So sorry, Okay, so sorry. So these are some sorting option. You can sort also. Look, the data has been sorted now. From this row to this row, for this column, the data has been sorted. Okay. So I'm going to undo. Okay. There another option called sort range. You can also change the range of your sorting. Okay. In column B, data has hit a row. Okay. Then the data has been sorted, uh, not this column. Okay, not this column, only this column has been sorted. Okay, you can also do that. Sort range column B Z to A. Now the data has been sorted from the higher value to lower value. Okay, but this column doesn't change. So in this way you can sort your data also. And here are some sharing option. You can share your Excel sheet with anyone other else, and you can also download your sheets, and you can also move your sheet, and you can rename your sheet like I want to. Okay, and this sheet will be automatically uploaded to Google Drive. So this was some basic option for Google Sheet. I you can. So I hope this video is a bit helpful for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you have any query, you can comment in the comment section. So that's all for today. Bye.